How I use AI to create my Wristlets Keychain packaging cards for my small business. I start by logging into my Ideogram, then I think of a few words for the description, then I click generate, and it comes up with basically all the ideas that I have in my mind. After I'm happy with the design that it came up with, I then go to my Canva account and finish all the designing and the sizing and everything else I needed, and then I will go ahead and print. Here's the final design and print that I came up with. I love it. Now, I do not own a paper cutter. I had one, but don't know where it is, so I ended up using my roller blade to cut all of my patterns out. Of course, you know I ordered the paper cutter from Amazon because I am an Amazon junkie. I use the butterfly fabric in order to stop the slipping because the ruler was slipping on top of the cardstock, and it was causing the blade to cut diagonally, not straight. So yeah. I also picked up this edge trimmer from Amazon so I can curve the edges of my cards, and I absolutely love it. Before packaging, I press all of my wristlets with the mini heat presser from Cricut. The fabric I use on both of these keychains is 100% authentic batik hand-printed fabric from the Bahamas. Also on every keychain is a motivational quote, and this one says, "Work hard, dream big." I love a cute business packaging. Like, one of my main thing with making the authentic keychains is that these will have their own cute Bahamas printed packaging, and I absolutely love how they turned out. I have other keychains and they will also have their own card printed on the inside, but for the Bahamas prints, I just feel like it has to have like a cute island feel, and it turned out great. I absolutely love it. To see more content from me, hit that follow button. To shop with my new business, hit that link in my bio. Thank you for your